What's up, guys? Our world is made up of matter. Matter can undergo changes. These changes may be temporary and easily reversed, or they may be permanent and very difficult to reverse. So, this means we can classify changes in matter into two. They are the physical changes and the chemical changes. A physical change is one in which no new substances are formed and can be easily reversed. An example of a physical change is the melting of ice to water. Since both ice and water have the same chemical composition, H2O, and the process can be very easily reversed, it is a physical change. Imagine putting ice in a glass cup. What would happen to the ice when you leave it for some time? It would melt, won't it? Ice turns to water when heated, or when it absorbs heat energy from the surroundings. What kind of change is that? Can you turn the water back to ice? Yes, you can. This can be achieved through freezing or cooling, possibly by using a refrigerator or a freezer. Another example of physical changes is evaporation of liquid to gas. Imagine that you are in your kitchen boiling some quantity of water in a pot. What would you see coming out from the pot of water? Steam, right? Water turns to steam when heated. Both water and steam have the same chemical composition, H2O, so no new substance is formed. Steam can be easily turned back to the liquid state through condensation, which is brought about by cooling, which is a decrease in temperature. The solution of sugar in water is another good example of a physical change, because no new substance is formed. The sugar can be easily recovered from the solution through heating. All the physical changes we discussed so far are all phase changes, that is, changes in the state of matter. Sometimes, physical changes may not involve changes in the state of matter. Example, cutting of wood, tearing of paper, shattering of glass, and grinding of metal. These may be irreversible, but the result is still composed of the same molecules. For example, when you cut your hair, that is a physical change, even though you can't put the hair back on your head again. What about grinding of pepper? Can you reverse the grinding of pepper to get back your pepper the way it was before the grinding? No, you can't. Even though you cannot reverse the process, it is still classified as a physical change because there is no change in the composition of the pepper. This same concept is applicable to cutting of wood, tearing of paper, shattering of glass. They are all classified as physical changes. In our next video, we shall be taking a look at changes in matter which involve actual changes in the chemical composition of a substance. A summary of what we've learned in this lesson is: 1. A physical change is one in which no new substances are formed and can be very easily reversed. 2. Changes in states of matter or phase changes are when you melt, freeze, boil, condense, sublimate, or deposit a substance. They do not change the nature of the substance or its chemical composition. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.